Help yourself by improving your video using TubeBuddy and get 100% SEO. Hello guys, today I'm gonna try to show you how to get 100% of the SEO, search engine optimization, by editing your video. So just click on your videos, then go and find any video what you have to edit. I'm gonna use this one. I think I didn't do, yeah. And also what you have to do, install TubeBuddy in your Chrome extension. So this. Then first step is to click here and go down there on SEO Studio. Press here. And here you have to add your title. Let's go copy this and paste here and then start. Like we can see, I have only 65. Okay, now it says include your target keywords in the first 200 characters of the description. So again, paste the text, see right away 95%. So we are good. Just make sure all of these are done. Then go next. Here also we have to add those. Add now. We have over, so we're gonna take some out. Okay, next. We have here now 100% of the SEO. So just go next and apply to your video and save. Don't forget to click here save. Let's go check again. SEO, paste. We have 100%. Thank you for watching. I hope this is gonna help you. For the TubeBuddy, if you can find, I'm gonna leave the link in my video description. Thank you.